Hi, I'm Michael Quinn, and I'm on a mission to help transform small businesses using Google. This YouTube channel is designed to make search engine optimization idiot-proof for the average business owner by demystifying complex SEO concepts into utterly practical how-to videos, step-by-step demos, and interviews with industry experts. I want to strip away the minutia and simply focus on what's going to get you ranking higher the fastest, ultimately getting you more phone calls and customers through your doors. The best part is most of this stuff you're going to be able to do yourself, in your office or at home, and most often at no cost or little cost. If there's a topic you'd like me to cover, or you'd just like to say hi, leave me a comment. I hope you get a ton of value, and we'll see you in the next one.